ইংরেজিতে 5টি ভাওয়েল রয়েছে। A, E, I, O, U। A, E, I, O, U। I'm A. I'm a vowel. I'm E. I'm also a vowel. I'm I. I'm a member of the vowel family too. I'm O. Everyone remembers me very easily. I'm U. I'm the last vowel, but I'm important too.
A, E, I, O, U. We're the vowels here for you. L, like an apple so red. E, like in a cozy little bed. I, like an igloo made of ice. A octopus with arms so nice. U, like umbrella in the rain. O, A, E, I, O, U.
Subscribe our channel, Shishu School. Shishu School, শেখা হবে আনন্দে।